Indian children up to the age of 30. The auntie voice. Otherwise, I'll give you one tight rap now. So, auntie, how is your sex life? How often do you have sex with your husband? Oh, sorry. Is that too personal? I'm sorry. I thought we were asking personal questions here. कहो चांदू की चाचा ने चांदू की चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदनी चौक में चांदनी चम्मच से चटनी चटाई कहो Hey. Hey. Sheena? Eh? What is this? What? Priya has put a photo on Facebook of her and that boy she's friendly with. Babe, it's like 4 a.m. Why are you getting up now? I need to go home. You know, my parents said I can't stay the night at yours. Oh my god. How can you enter a marriage like that thinking, oh, if we break up, then you will get the fridge, I will get the washing machine? How can you start a life like that? This is not part of our culture. Divorce! Akshay, see, do your homework. If you don't do your homework, you won't get a holiday on Saturday. The principal will come and take you to school on Saturday. But Mama, I didn't do my homework last week also and the principal didn't make me go to school. Can you open the boot? No, are you crazy? People are watching. Everyone will. Okay, now go to the kitchen cupboard, open, look at the third shelf and the bottom shelf in the steel dabba. Can you tell me how much spices we have? Different ones. I'm going to Hampangata now to buy the spices. Bel puri pani puri se puri pav bhaji. Bel puri pani puri se puri pav bhaji. Baba, go and make susu now. No, go. Come on now, let's all sing a song. Mom, I'm not really in the mood at the moment. What do you mean you're not in the mood? Why do you have to be in some mood? You think your life is so hard, everything is done for you. You don't even have to lift one finger. Priya? What all new things you have started? What on earth? But we got the information from WhatsApp, see? What language you speak at home? English. What is your mother tongue? This dosa is too fat. But Dada, it's not a dosa, it's a pan. Don't tell me what it is. I know what it is. I know everything. I created you. This is how you make dosas. I'll teach you. Take this and you make nice round circles. No, Sushma, see, I haven't checked the Facebook in some time. I told the children to put the Facebook for me. They also are saying, oh, you need to put your password. Now, how am I supposed to know where my password is? They also are not keeping my password for me. Hey everybody, I'm Priyanka and welcome to my beautiful Texas home. Cutting your nails and sweeping the floor after dark? Jesus, I'm sunbathing. What is all this rubbish? What is all this nonsense you're doing? Put some clothes on. What? Why not? How come he gets to bring his girlfriend and I can't bring my boyfriend to the wedding? See, Priya, it's different. If you break up, then everyone will ask if he's not there, where is Anil? How come he's not here? Then you will sit and have to face the questions and comments from everyone, no? Hi, Allah. वो तो Zenobia है ना? Yes, you are right. That is Zenobia. Who is that man she's with? Must be her husband, na? Can't be. They look so in love. Once you feel your head chakra aligning with your heart, we know that the exercise... Chakra or chakra? This girl is mad. Mom, don't what mummy. Enough of these altu-faltu fashion model types. And Geeta, all the time, anywhere we go, new cocktails she wants to drink. She thinks she's in some James Bond movie only. Seema, your mic is on. See, all this is rubbish. This does not work in our culture. Our children do not need to learn from their mistakes because we are there to plan their life for them. Then after we have raised them, it is their duty to live their whole life for us. You bitch! Okay, we're here. What did I miss? No, I can make out. You have a cough. You better take rest now. Mother always knows. What is this? This small cute thing? It looks like a little spice jar. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm looking for some god to pray to, but there's no picture of God in your house only. We had this amazing date. I stayed over. He cooked me breakfast. What? He stayed over? No. I prayed over his food that he cooked for me. Yeah, you all better be careful now. COVID cases are increasing and increasing. Always better to be safe. Don't go anywhere. Stay at home. Best to take precautions and be careful. The virus is mutating. We don't know what will happen. Just send us one line, no, when you get home. I just saw on the news there's a very bad man. He was looking at one girl. She was walking like you, only head in the clouds, not focusing anywhere. Then he saw her. He took her and put her in the car boot. Then God knows what he did with her afterwards. But how can they do such things? How can this happen? Baby, 8 months after marriage? How is it possible? This is not possible. Pakka, promise. I swear on my mother's life. Your mother is dead. So what? Hey Ram, how's it going? Please, nobody calls me Ram here. My Australian name is Rocky. Kale munta, maka aikata na puta. How do I find the link? Oh my god, mom. Just click on the link and follow the instructions. Yeah, come here. Why should I worry? I am only your mother. Only when you are a mother, then you will understand.